Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your password on Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Behance homepage. You'll see your profile picture or icon there. Hover your mouse over it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account configuration page where you can manage all your Behance preferences and security settings. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Adobe ID Login. This section is important because Behance uses your Adobe ID credentials for authentication, which means your password is managed through Adobe's central account system rather than directly through Behance. Now, within the Adobe ID login section, you'll see an option that says Manage this Adobe ID. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to Adobe's account management portal, where you have full control over your credentials and security settings. The page will open in a new tab, so don't worry if your Behance window remains open in the background. After the new tab loads, look over to the right side of the page. You'll find a button labeled Change Password. Click on it to begin the password update process. This is where Adobe verifies your identity before allowing you to make any security changes to your account. First, you'll be prompted to input your current password in the designated field. This step is crucial for security purposes as it confirms that you're the legitimate account owner. After entering your current password, click Continue to proceed to the next stage. Next, you'll see two password fields appear on your screen. In the first field, input your new password. Make sure to choose something secure and memorable. Then, in the second field, repeat your new password for confirmation. This double entry system helps prevent typos and ensures you've set the exact password you intended. Finally, click the Update Password button to save your changes. Adobe will process your request and update your credentials across all Adobe services, including Behance. And that's it, your Behance password has been successfully changed through your Adobe ID. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.